Hello friends, today we discuss a very important concept in mechanics. This is the virtual work. It is not the actual work. The name is clearly understandable. This is the virtual work. Simple definitions in that the work done by virtual displacement when the body is in equilibrium position. Whenever body is in equilibrium, suppose a bottle is standing, suppose we are sitting, suppose a tree is standing in the earth, all are equilibrium positions. So when we discuss in equilibrium positions, when there is a virtual displacement, then the work done is virtual work. Now, before virtual work done, let us see an example of actual work done. Here, suppose according to example, this is the block A. Now, if we exert a force, that is vector F, it displaces to ds with an angle theta. So, as we already discussed about when we pull a block with force F, it displaces to ds, then work done, this is the definition of work done, vector F dot vector ds. Now, in vector calculus, we have also studies about dot product. So, A dot P is magnitude of A, magnitude of P, as well cos and theta. Here cos theta is the angle between these two vectors. So this is the cos angle. So F ds and cos theta, this is the actual work done when we pull a block with a angular force. Now the concept behind virtual work. Suppose this is a block. This is the block A. Now if we exerted the forces F1, here opposite force F2, this is the gravity force mg, always in any object this is the gravity force, and so there is a reactional force which is opposite to gravity force. So now suppose here if we discuss virtual work, suppose F1 vector F2 are two forces acting on opposite of the block A. We are applying two opposite forces on the same block. And now what is mg? We know if an object has a mass, then there is already a gravity force. So mg is the force due to gravity. And now r, what is our vector r? The vector r is reactional force of gravitations. According to this mg, there is a reactional force. Now, suppose if there is a virtual displacement, this is virtual displacement dr. Now, imaginary displacement or virtual displacement. Therefore, virtual work done, it is represented by del w or dw. It is the dot product. Since we know the dot product is a scalar quantity, so here we write is del w, not vector del w, dot product. Now there are four forces. Okay, the summation is I is equal to 1 to n. N may be 2, 4, 900, something else. So there are four forces, F1 dr plus F2 force dr plus mg, this is mg dr, because this is the displacement, so mg dr. And what is the angle between mg and dr? So dr is horizontal, mg is downward, so angle between these is 90 degree. So this is cos 90 by using the work done formulas, and plus vector r dot, and this is also dr. So dr. Now f dot dr, this is vector f1, this is vector dr. So f1 dr and cos 0, since is in the same direction, so their angle is 0, plus f2 dr and there is cos 180. Why is cos 180? So here is direction of dr and this is the direction of vector f2. So both are opposite direction. So it is 180 degree, plus cos 90 is 0. So whole the component is 0, and plus lastly r dr. This is r, this is dr, and both are in 90 degree. So this is cos 90. So last two will be 0, and first one is f1 dr cos 0 is 1 and cos 180 is minus 1. So f1 dr minus f2 dr. Now virtual work done will be 0 when both the forces f1 and f2 will be 0. So both the magnitude is same. So here the actual work done, that is the virtual work done, will be 0. So this is the concept about virtual work. Virtual work, the summation of whole work. As we know, summation of whole work is 0, and 0 shows that there is no actual work done. If suppose we are sitting, then we are in equilibrium positions. There is no any movement of minds. Where are we move? If a bottle is stand, he is only standing, not they are movable. So the actual work done or virtual work done always 0. That means whose result should always will be 0. And this summation of work done, if 0, this shows that it will be a virtual work done. And this is the concept of virtual work done.